On the spot! Sabir Marsh, Sharaf,
Today, these young champions remind us that effort and unity will always lead to victory. The contingents advance with confidence in their heart and pride in every step. We can see the school flag flying high, carried with dignity by Naman Srivastava, followed by the school commander Akshit Singh. Their sharp movement reflecting true cadet spirit. And accompanying them are the primary wing head boy and head girl, Vedans Tiwari and Angel Devnath. Following them is Subhash House, representing red, living their motto, soar, search and conquer. They move ahead with remarkable coordination and energy. Leading this spirited contingent is Amardeep. Marching next is Patel House, representing green. With their smooth alignment and steady rhythm, they perfectly embody their motto, striving with excellence. And guiding this determined house forward is Nihal Singh. Advancing further is Gandhi House, clad in blue. Their flags held firmly as they march with confidence. Their motto, strive to achieve, reminds us that consistent effort is the key to progress. And today, we witness not just a milestone, but the outcome of months of dedication and perseverance. Leading the determined contingent is Odisha. And the fourth house, Nehru House, can be seen marching right behind them, representing yellow, inspiring everyone with their motto, dedication to success. Every step reflects unity, every movement showcases hard work and discipline. Commanding this impressive contingent, we have Piyush Singh.
After the four houses, it is time to welcome the cadets of NCC, guided by their motto, unity and discipline. Leading the NCC contingents, we have the army led by Arpan Chand.
সব একটু করে সামনে আইব
Every stride they take resonates with strength and a resolve that does not shake. The formation speaks of responsibilities and their presence itself reminds us of those who guard our nation. Following them, drawing every eye with their confidence and pride is the Air Wing, led by Mohammed Zain Khan, a spirit that touches the sky. Their postures are bold yet graceful, for they represent the vast sky. And now is the Navy Wing, led by Anand Dixit. Composure like the ocean, precision like the tides. The cadets represent the calm, depth and immense power of the seas. The discipline reflects the ocean's patience. The synchrony reflects its strength. As they move across this field, they remind us that true mastery lies in staying steady, even when the winds change. A lesson as inspiring as the sea itself. Together, the Army, Navy and the Air Wing of the NCC create a picture of unity, discipline and extraordinary dedication. The march is not just a performance, it is an inspiration. We applaud their commitment, their spirit and the values they respect.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we are witnessing today goes far beyond ceremonial display. It stands as a strong reminder of what be achieved through collective effort, preparation, and shared vision. The March Past represents the foundation of sportsmanship. It reflects the values that shape character, self-control, responsibility, cooperation, and the most important, respect for one another. Every contingent that stepped onto the field carried not just a flag, but the values and legacy it stands for. Together, they create a powerful image of harmony and coordination that left a lasting impact on all of us. In the spirit of our sports day team, Udan, beyond limits, beyond victory, this March Past encourages us to look beyond medals, beyond results. It teaches us that true achievement lies in effort, unity, and the courage to give our best. Winning is important, but rising together, supporting one another, and growing stronger with every experience is what truly defines success. As we move forward with the events of the day, let us carry with the values, not just on the field, but in classrooms, at home, and in life. May the energy, confidence, and togetherness displayed here today continue to inspire us all. With this, we conclude March Past. Let us appreciate all the participants for their dedication, teamwork with a warm, well-deserved round of applause.
After the magnificent march